Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about something super important today, saving money in college. It's a topic that can really make or break your college experience. I know, college life is all about living your best life, but trust me, saving some bucks here and there can make a huge difference. First up, textbooks. We all know those can be crazy expensive. The prices can be downright shocking sometimes. But here's the hack: buy, used, rent, or even better, check out your campus library or online resources like Project Gutenberg. You'd be amazed at how much you can save. Sometimes you can find what you need for free. Yeah, free. Laugh. Next, food. Instead of eating out all the time, try cooking with friends. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating memories. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a fun way to hang out and learn some new recipes. Plus, you can make it a weekly tradition. And if you must eat out, get those student discounts. They can really add up over time. They're there, so use them. Laugh. You'd be surprised how many places offer them. Speaking of discounts, always ask if there's a student discount wherever you go. It never hurts to ask. I'm talking about movie theaters, clothing stores, even public transport. You can save a lot just by showing your student ID. Flash that student ID like it's a VIP pass. Own it! Alright, let's talk about tech. This is a big one. Need a new laptop or software? These can be major expenses. Look for student deals or refurbished items. You can get high-quality tech for a fraction of the price. Companies like Apple and Adobe offer some sick discounts for students. Don't sleep on that. These deals can save you hundreds of dollars. Now, let's tackle the biggest expense: housing. This is where you can save the most. Dorms can be pricey, so consider off-campus housing. It might be more affordable than you think. Share an apartment with friends, split the rent, and save big. Plus, living with friends can be a blast. And hey, don't forget to budget for utilities and groceries. These can add up quickly if you're not careful. Okay, side hustles. We all need that extra cash. It's a great way to ease financial stress. Look for on-campus jobs or freelance gigs. These can fit around your class schedule. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can help you find work that fits your schedule. You can work from anywhere. Plus, it's a great way to build your resume. Employers love to see that you've been proactive. Lastly, track your spending. I know it sounds boring, but apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy and kinda fun. You'll be surprised where your money is going, and you can make adjustments to save more. It's all about being aware. So what are your best money-saving hacks in college? We all have our own tricks. Share them in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy savers. Let's help each other out. The more we share, the more we save. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips. Catch you later. Stay savvy, keep saving, and enjoy your college life to the fullest.